Alright guys, so it's almost 11 o'clock. The first race is underway. So far we got 10 birds back. We sent the entire crew of 27. My thoughts on it was it's going to be all or nothing. And so far I think we're doing pretty good. We got 9 birds on the first drop. As soon as these guys showed up, started doing their laps around the house, getting ready to come in, Hawk came out of this tree right here, busting them up right over there, kept them up in the air for another 10 minutes, but I was able to get them down, get them clocked in. As you can see, 10 birds. Last one clocked in at 10:24, which that one was Broken Leg Sister. She came in by herself with a stray. And who do we got here? Alright, so we got that one splash male that I made a thing on my YouTube page about never judging a book by its cover. Got this set of blue bars up here. Got another one up there. These guys are still wore out. They've had an all-you-can-eat buffet when they got home. And who do we got over here? We got Beast Mode's first round daughter up there. The little Morris Gordon splash back there. The set of blacks, brother, sister. Who else do we got? It's not many. And we got the one red. So it's still early in the day. I do hope some more birds make it back. I'm pretty sure they will. But like I said, guys, we had 9 come in. They all clocked in within seconds of each other. Stupid Hawk put about 10 minutes onto their time. So we'll see how all that stuff turns out when they dump the clocks. I will keep you guys updated. But yeah, the birds are off to the races, and we've got birds home, so we've accomplished our mission so far. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm out.